Yan po ang aking sinabawang bukog. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos ibalik ko ang corn. Ayan po ang lulutuin ko today. I'm gonna cook this pork rib soup. I have ginger, spring onion, tomato, cabbage, carrots, and corn, and the meat, pork meat. Prepare my soup. I like a lot of corn. This ginger, I don't need a lot, just a flavor. Then this is for final thing. I can fry this. Just for eating it with my way. So everything is prepared. So guys, look at my ingredients getting ready for my extra virgin oil. I'll put some butter. First, I will put the ginger, and then not too much ba onion kay dili ganahan ang ano uyab sa akong anak. This is the pork that I wash and rinse. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. I have chicken bouillon. Black pepper. And let it cook. Garlic powder, one parsley, put oregano,
When you go to that pot,
I just put a little, this is my soy sauce, Philippine soy sauce. This is a soup base, and then I let it cook. I forgot about the tomato. Guys. Okay, guys. I put the tomato, carrots, and corn. And just cook it. Just let it cook. Not the right lid, guys. Alright, we need to take the corn because I don't want to overcook the corn, but I let it cook more, the meat. So this is okay for now. Supposed to cook it not very long. I put it back later to warm it up. The carrots is okay because the carrots adds flavor to the soup. So you can eat the corn. Let's see. Let's check if the meat is cooked. Soft. Not yet. Not yet. Need more. Needs to cook more. Yeah, guys, I just added to cook it more. The meat is tender. Tender. So let the cabbage cook for 2 minutes, and then we will be good. I will just cook this because it's only 2 minutes in. Simmer it for a little bit. Yan po ang aking sinabawang bukog. Yan po ang aking sinabawang bukog. Diba? Ang ganda. Tapos ibalik ko ang corn. Binalik ko ang corn to warm it up. Because I just need to boil it again so it's remain warm and delicious. Finally, it's time to eat. Ayan, kuha ta og rice. Diet guys, diet guys. One cup uno guys, kaya ang diet. So, that's my little plate. So, I have here my soup. My soup. Yan. Ay, init guys. Okay, I got this. Try this. The soup is so good. The meat. Let's try the meat. Be careful, it's bony. You can have it with rice or cracker. But for me, I love to have rice. So guys, this is it, and thank you for watching with my cooking. So I will see you on my next vlog. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click the likes and subscribe. To see you on my next vlog. Bye! Sarap ng kain ko dito guys, in my backyard, waiting for the sunset. And I have here Sis MB.